For iPhone 11 owners that don't speak English or are not comfortable using their devices with English captions and labels, they can change the language on their devices easily to cater to their needs. This can be done with just a few taps and touches, and that's the purpose of this tutorial. So continue watching as I'll show you the step-by-step instructions on how to change language on an iPhone running iOS 13.2. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and then tap General. Touch Language and Region. Tap iPhone Language. This will give you a list of available language you can use on your iPhone. Now select the language you want to use and touch Change to confirm. The screen will turn black for a few seconds and brings you back to the previous screen. To change region, touch Region. Tap on the region you want to use on your iPhone. You may also be asked if you want to change the language into that region's language, so if you haven't changed the language yet, this is the best way to change both the region and language in one touch. And that's how you change your iPhone 11's language and region. I hope that this simple tutorial can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.